Hey, to change keyboard theme on the Realme 12 5G, you have to go to the settings. Now you will have to scroll down and open additional settings, then move to the keyboard and the input method, and then go to the to the manage keyboards. Select Gboard and tap on the theme. And we've got a lot of options. We can set the default theme or the custom one. So if I want to get, for example, the red color of the keyboard, I have to click here and then tap apply. If I want to get this landscapes pictures, I have to click and download it, and then also I have to click apply. But if I want to create my own theme from my own pictures, I have to click here. Then I have to select something from my gallery, for example, this photo. Now I can try to resize this. Let's take, for example, this part of the photo. Click next, and now set the brightness. Then click done, and additionally you can turn on or turn off the key borders and click apply. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.